Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Emma, the English podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. I'm really excited about today's episode because we are going to talk about something that looks small but confuses a lot of English learners.
Before we begin, a quick request. If this podcast is helping you improve your English speaking confidence, make sure you follow the show and share it with one friend who is also learning English.
Because learning together makes everything easier and also less stressful, because sometimes grammar can feel confusing, especially today's topic.
Exactly. Today's topic is one of those things where learners say, I understand, but I don't understand.
Yes, I've heard that so many times.
All right, Jack, let's start with something simple.
Okay, I'm ready.
Listen carefully. I have been tired all day. I have had a long day.
Both sound similar, but they feel different.
Exactly. That's the confusion.
So today, we are going to understand to have been, to have had.
Yes, and by the end of this episode, you will not only understand them, you will also use them naturally.
That sounds powerful.
Let's start slowly.
Good idea.
First, let's understand what have been means.
Okay.
Have been comes from have plus been, past participle of be.
So it is part of the present perfect tense?
Yes.
And what does it mean?
It describes a state or condition that started in the past and continues to now.
Example?
I have been tired all day.
So you started feeling tired in the past and you are still tired now.
Exactly.
Let's try more examples.
I have been busy this week.
She has been happy lately.
They have been quiet today.
So have been is used with feelings, states, and conditions.
Yes, very important point.
Now let's move to have had.
Good.
This one sounds a bit strange.
Yes, because it repeats have.
So what is have had?
It comes from have plus had, past participle of have.
So it is also present perfect.
Yes.
And what does it mean?
It means you possessed or experienced something in the past and it is connected to now.
Example?
I have had a long day.
So the long day happened and now I'm still feeling the result.
Exactly.
Let's try more examples.
She has had many opportunities.
I have had a headache since morning.
They have had a great time.
So have had is about experiences or things, not feelings directly.
Yes, that's the key difference.
Let me try to explain in my own words.
Go ahead.
Have been, state or feeling. Have had, experience or possession.
Perfect.
Now let's compare directly.
Good idea.
Have been tired.
That means your condition is tired.
Have had a long day.
That explains why you are tired.
Oh, now it's connecting.
Yes.
So we can say, I have had a long day, so I have been tired.
Exactly. That's a perfect sentence.
This is starting to make sense.
Good. Now let's make it more conversational.
All right.
Hey, how are you?
I have been very busy today.
Oh, really? What happened?
I have had a lot of meetings.
Perfect natural use.
This feels like real English.
Yes, and that's the goal.
Now I understand something important.
What is it?
Have been describes how I feel. Have had describes what I experienced.
Exactly.
And both are connected to the present.
Yes, always connected to now.
Now I'm curious.
About what?
Can we use both in longer answers?
Of course, and that's what we'll do next.
Good, because I want to practice more. And I think this is where learners usually get stuck.
Exactly. They understand have been and have had, but when they start speaking, they hesitate.
Because both sound similar in their head.
Yes, and sometimes they translate from their own language, which makes it even more confusing.
So let's make it very clear with real situations.
Good idea. Let's start with a simple situation, talking about your day.
All right.
Imagine someone asks, "How has your day been?"
Okay, I will answer, my day has been very busy.
Perfect. You used has been to describe your condition.
Now you ask me, what have you done today?
Good question. I have had many meetings today.
Excellent. Now you used have had to describe your experience. So in one conversation, both can appear naturally.
Exactly.
Let's try a slightly longer answer.
Go ahead.
My day has been stressful. I have had a lot of work, and I have had very little time to relax.
That's a perfect natural sentence.
Let's break it down.
My day has been stressful. State.
I have had a lot of work, experience.
I have had very little time. Again, experience.
This makes it very clear.
Yes, because now you see how both are used together.
Now I want to try a positive example.
Good idea.
My week has been amazing. I have had some great opportunities, and I have had a chance to learn new things.
That sounds very natural and fluent.
Yes, and it feels easy when you understand the difference.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about a common mistake.
Yes, very important.
Some learners say, I have been a good day.
Yes, that's incorrect.
It should be, it has been a good day.
Correct, because been comes from be, so it needs a subject like it.
Another mistake, I have been a lot of work.
Again, incorrect. It should be, I have had a lot of work.
So we cannot use been with things like work.
Exactly. Been is for states, not for possession or experience.
That's a very important rule.
Yes, and remembering this will remove a lot of confusion.
Now I want to ask something tricky.
Go ahead.
Can we say, I have been having a busy day?
Good question. Yes, we can.
But it sounds more advanced.
Yes, because now you are using a continuous structure.
So what does it mean?
It means the busy experience is continuing over time.
So it's similar to, I have had a busy day, but more focused on duration.
Exactly.
That's interesting.
Yes, but beginners should focus first on have been and have had.
Agreed.
Now let's move into a small real-life conversation.
All right.
Hey, how have you been?
I have been really good. I have been working on my goals.
That's nice. Have you had any challenges?
Yes, I have had some difficulties, but I have been positive.
That's a great mindset.
Now, this feels very real.
Yes, and you used both forms correctly.
Let's analyze quickly.
I have been really good. State.
I have been working. Ongoing action.
I have had some difficulties. Experience.
I have been positive. State again.
Perfect.
Now I feel much more comfortable.
Good. Let's try another situation.
Okay,
Talking about health.
that's a common topic.
Hey, are you okay?
I have been feeling sick.
Oh no. Have you had a doctor's appointment?
Yes, I have had a checkup, and now I have been resting.
Very natural conversation.
Yes, and again, both forms appear naturally.
Exactly.
Now I want to say something important for learners.
Go ahead.
Don't try to translate directly.
Yes, very important advice.
Instead, think in English. Feeling, have been. Experience, have had.
Perfect rule.
Now let's do one more example.
Okay.
My life has been interesting. I have had many experiences, and I have been learning a lot.
That's a beautiful sentence.
And very natural.
Yes.
Now I feel ready for the next level.
All right. Now it's time to put everything together. Let's speak like we naturally would in a real conversation. No hesitation.
Sounds good. I feel like I understand it, but using it smoothly, that's the tricky part.
Exactly. So think of have been for your states and ongoing experiences, and have had for specific experiences or things that happened. Now let's try a full conversation.
Okay, hit me.
Hey, how have you been this week? You look busy.
Well, I have been really busy, Emma. I've been working on multiple projects at the office, and I have had some tight deadlines to meet.
Nice. See how naturally it flows? Have been for the ongoing work and have had for the deadlines. Perfect.
Yeah, it feels like I'm describing my life, not just grammar.
Exactly. That's the power. Grammar is just the tool. Communication is the goal. Now let's expand it a bit more.
All right. I have been feeling a little stressed because I have had a lot of tasks and I have had very little time for myself, but I have been trying to manage it by taking short breaks and meditating.
Wow, that's a very natural sentence. And see how you're mixing both forms? Learners can see exactly when to use each.
Yes, and it doesn't sound forced at all.
Exactly. The key is thinking in English, not translating. Let's do another example, maybe about travel.
Great idea. I have been traveling a lot this month. I have had some amazing experiences, like visiting museums and trying local food. I have been enjoying every moment, even though it's exhausting at times.
Perfect. Learners will see how have been is about ongoing enjoyment and have had is about concrete experiences.
And I feel more confident saying it naturally.
Exactly. Confidence comes when you use it in context, not just memorizing rules.
Can we do a tricky one now? Something learners usually get wrong?
Sure. What about this? I have had been waiting for hours. Is that correct?
No, that sounds wrong.
Correct. Learners sometimes mix forms. It should be either I have been waiting for hours, ongoing action, I have had a long wait, experience.
Ah, that's a huge difference. Now it's clear.
Exactly. Small mistakes like this make learners confused, but once you understand the function, state versus experience, you'll get it right almost every time.
So, a tip for learners, always ask yourself, am I talking about something ongoing or something completed?
Yes, perfect tip. Ongoing, have been, completed, have had. Simple rule, big impact.
Let's do one last long example for fluency.
Go ahead.
Over the past month, I have been learning English more seriously. I have been practicing speaking every day, and I have been listening to podcasts like this one. I have had challenges, of course, like understanding tricky grammar, but I have had support from teachers and friends, and I have been improving step by step, which makes me confident.
That's brilliant. See how natural it sounds? You've mixed both forms in real-life context. Learners can copy this kind of structure to speak fluently.
Yes, and it doesn't feel like grammar practice anymore. It's just normal conversation.
Exactly. That's the ultimate goal, speaking English naturally without thinking about rules all the time.
I think learners should also practice by writing their daily experiences using both forms.
Yes, writing is powerful. For example, today I have been very productive. I have had many things to do, but I have been managing well.
And they can read it aloud, too, to improve speaking confidence.
Exactly. Speaking, writing, listening, and thinking in English all together makes learning faster.
I think learners often forget about continuous practice.
Yes, consistency is key. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day using have been and have had in your sentences will make a huge difference in a month.
I agree, and I love how it can describe both our states and experiences.
Yes, it's very versatile, one of the most useful grammar forms for advanced fluency.
Learners might feel it's difficult at first, but once you see these examples, it becomes much easier.
Exactly. And don't stress about perfection. Fluency grows over time. The more you use it, the better you'll get.
So, to summarize for our learners, 1. Have been to ongoing states and actions. 2. Have had for experiences or completed things. 3. Use both together naturally in your speech. 4. Practice daily, write your experiences, read aloud, speak confidently.
Perfect summary, Jack. That's exactly what learners need.
Yes, now learners can feel confident using have been and have had in real life.
And remember, English is for communication. Grammar rules are just helpers.
Exactly. Learners, keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't worry about mistakes. You'll improve step by step.
That's it for today. Next episode, we'll tackle some advanced phrasal verbs that often confuse learners.
Yes, learners, don't miss it. Keep practicing what we've learned today.
And remember, fluency comes from practice, not perfection.
Absolutely. Use have been for your ongoing states and experiences, have had for concrete experiences, and you're ready for confident English.
See you next time, everyone. Keep speaking, keep learning. Bye, everyone.